Hello and welcome to Motor Match Stockport. My name's Daniel and I'm pleased to present you with this gorgeous Seat Ibiza SE. Now this vehicle is currently on 21,289 miles and it's finished in the colour candy white. If you'd like more information, please give us a call on 0161 885 0358. And now let's take a look around the vehicle here. Starting at the front, you do have halogen headlamps with nice LED daytime running lights. These really complement the vehicle well, give you great visibility throughout the day. Now around to the side, just sit very nicely on 15-inch alloy wheels. They do look extremely smart. You do have your indicator integrated into the door mirror. You also have rear privacy glass, give you nice privacy to the rear, and it makes the white pop as well. Now here at the rear, you have very nice cloth seats with contrasting colours. You also have a nice pattern in the centre. There are ice fix points, so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle and be sure it's safely secured in for peace of mind. Now let's head to the rear. You have your Seat Ibiza badging in there on the tailgate with nice LED rear lights. To open up the tailgate, you simply push the Seat badge in and it pops open to reveal a lovely amount of space. You can easily fit a weekly shop in there. You also have tethering points, so you can tie any loads down if you need to, if you don't want any belongings rolling around freely. Now let's take a look inside to the front of the vehicle. You do have your leather multifunction steering wheel there. You've got a nice grey effect across the dashboard. You have your front seats here. You do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat, so you can easily find the perfect driving position and be sure you're comfortable in this vehicle. And now that we've had a look around, I'm going to take you inside and show you some of the key features that this vehicle has to offer. So hopping in and starting on the driver's door, you have your electric mirror adjustments. This allows you to quickly make adjustments to the mirrors so you can see clearly to the rear. It's very handy as well when parking, as you can put the mirrors down to check you're in the lines or next to the curb when parallel parking. You also have front electric windows there. You have your switches on the door. You do have automatic headlights, so when set to auto, you don't have to worry about turning them on. They'll turn on when necessary, allowing you to keep focused on the road. You have your wiper stalk there behind the steering wheel. You do have some controls here on the steering wheel. These make adjustment to your digital display in between the dials in the instrument cluster. You can see your driving data here. You do have a digital speedometer. You can also see things like the range you have left in your fuel tank, the oil temperature. You can also access your assist systems. The vehicle does have front assist, which can detect potential hazards ahead and emergency brake if necessary to prevent or reduce impact. You can also access your radio. You also have your Bluetooth phone menu as well, along with any vehicle messages you may have. You have some controls there for making adjustments to your radio and the volume. You do have a speed limiter, which is great if you don't want to be going over speed limits. You can set up a speed and this will prevent you from going over the limit. You can't put your foot fully to the floor with the accelerator to override it if in an emergency. You have your radio here. You have the option for presets. You do have FM and AM. You can easily find and tune your favourite stations to the vehicle. You can access the different stations you have available to you by scrolling through a list. You can also connect your own source of audio. You do have USB and auxiliary inputs, and there's also Bluetooth as well. And of course with Bluetooth you can safely make hands-free phone calls while on the go, so you can keep up to date with whoever you need to and ensure you don't miss any important phone calls you may have. You also have the option for seeing vehicle information, such as your eco trainer, which will judge you on how fuel efficient you're driving. You can see what's consuming your fuel the most, such as the air conditioning. Now below here you do have your air conditioning, so you can keep the vehicle nice and warm or cool. It's very straightforward to use with each switch clearly labelled, so you can be aware of what you're making adjustments to. Have the option for turning on or off your air conditioning. You can also recircle the air as well. You also have a heated rear windscreen, so you can quickly defrost that and see clearly to the rear. You have a nice tray there with your auxiliary and USB input. Thanks for watching this video on the Seat Ibiza SE. This vehicle is part of the Motor Match promise that includes a minimum 30-day or 1,000-mile warranty, whichever is sooner. You do have RAC extended warranty of up to 3 years available, along with flexible finance packages available as well. All Motor Match vehicles are subject to a £150 admin fee, which covers the provenance check. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358.